And to reduce drunk and drive cases in the city, Micro Technologies India, a company that is into security systems from the past 20 years, has now manufactured a new device that could help in reducing accidents on the streets. Our report.
Roads seem to be very beautiful, especially when you are a speed lover. But this speed can be dangerous to your life when you are drunk. And so, to reduce the danger of drink and drive cases, Micro Technologies India, a company pioneering manufacturing security devices for individuals, families and defense purposes, has now come up with a new device that stops drivers from driving their vehicles who are under the influence of alcohol. If the owner of the vehicle implants this device in his vehicle, then this device will ask for the breath test of the driver as soon as the car engine is turned on. If the driver is not drunk, then the vehicle will start. But if the driver is drunk, it will send an SMS to the owner of the vehicle informing him about the alcohol level. And if the driver has drunk beyond the permissible limit of 120 mg, then the vehicle engine will automatically be turned off and the driver will not be able to start the car. The driver in this case will now need a confirmation from his owner to start the vehicle.
This is basically a healthy machine which protects the things from the accident level, and also it protects the people from the dangerous part of it. And I feel the machine is excellently doing well, and it will do well in future also. And it will be important for all the drivers who are able to drive with this and to control them not to drink and drive.
This device is manufactured with the intention of reducing drunk and drive cases in the city, in which majority of youngsters become a victim, ultimately losing their lives. The device has been successful in reducing accidents in foreign countries and is now looking forward to have the same impact in reducing accidents in the city. Sumit Roy's report, DD News, Mumbai.
And in